now we're standing at the town pavilion. This is where anybody's able to rent the facility for whatever function they're trying to hold, whether it be a wedding reception or tractor parade like we're having today. To my west is, to my east is the Nature Conservancy property. This is all hayfields over here. To the south of us is also hayfields, which is also owned by the Nature Conservancy. To the north of us here, we have the recreational field where they have the soccer field, ball field. To the west of us, we have the small town pond, recreation center where we have children's playground, and beyond that are the Bridgewater fairgrounds.
I met him 3 months ago. I met Charlie, and I have never eaten as well in my life. And I'm not a kid. He's the best cook in the world. A lot of olive oil, a lot of love, a lot of fresh stuff. Of course, that's why he's under his ear.
To help put this thing on. Bob Caralucci, you here? Bob Caralucci's been helping out for 3-4 years now. Bob Caralucci? Union Savings Bank has helped out. Bonnie Blackman, where are you? Bonnie, thank you. ABC Fuel, are you here? Thank you, ABC Fuel, for helping out. And Chris Emirossi yesterday wasn't running. And Bush took the head off and got it running, cleaned out the tank and a bunch of other things. So we want to thank Bush for getting that tractor going. And there's a little thing. You go to the Tractor Supply and get yourself a tractor. Mike and Joey, where you at? Mike Deek and Joey, come on out. Mike, Deke, and Joey, come on up. How about the roast beef, guys? Now, these guys had a fun day today. They had 80 pounds of pulled pork cooking, and they burned up the cooker. The fire department had to put the cooker out. Anyway, these guys are going to be wearing new little things here. They're bibs, so they won't make a mess of themselves next time they're cooking. Put those on, guys. Those are great.
By the way, Joe's running against you in November. Vote for Joe.
That's perfect. It doesn't fit you, but it's all right. Put them on. Turn around so we get a picture. Talk about the judges. These guys did a lot of work up here. Barbara Henry, where you at? Barbara Henry's one of our judges from Roxbury, first selectman. Mark Lyons, where are you? There he is. Mark Lyons from Washington, he came over and helped judge. Pat Murphy, mayor of New Milford, helped out. Our representative for the state, Arthur O'Neill. Art helped out. Peter Hammond did a lot of work. Thank you, Peter. The Right Reverend Peter Hammond. Kim Galately. I got it right? And Dennis Eisenberg. Where are you guys? Where's Dennis? Dennis, thank you very much. Now these guys are going to come up and start giving out some awards. And Ruby O'Neill, I'm sorry. Ruby, thank you too. Barbara Henry told me that before this tractor parade that she didn't want to be in the parade this year. She wanted to judge. And she just told me a few minutes ago, it's too much work. Next year she wants to be in the parade.
Okay, the best float. This was not easy. We were all having fist fights up there at the judging stand. Number 2, it always rains at the fair. We have a trophy. We have 2 gift certificates to Tractor Supply. Very entertaining, guys.
Yeah, just one thing. I'd like to thank everybody that helped out this year. It was everybody knows it's a horrible year at the fair, but everybody did an awesome job to make it work out. So thank you very much.
Most unique. Number 33, the Dragon. Congratulations. We really like that outfit. You got us when you turned around. The float with the most tractors. Bridgewater.